You're tired of your bank charging you an arm and a leg for everything, right? You want a bank that actually works for you, not the other way around. And you've heard whispers about a magical place called EQ Bank where money actually grows on trees. Or at least, earns a decent interest rate. So, the burning question is EQ Bank even available in Canada? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why EQ Bank has been making waves. It's one of those rare digital banks that promises high interest rates without the usual bank fees. It's like finding a unicorn in a field of donkeys. But is this financial paradise accessible to all Canadians, or is it just a mirage for the lucky few? EQ Bank is, in fact, a Canadian digital bank. So, if you're sitting in your cozy Canadian living room, sipping on maple syrup, and dreaming of better savings, you're in luck. This bank is right in your backyard. But let's get real for a second. High interest rates aren't the only thing that matters. Convenience is key. So, how does EQ Bank stack up in the user-friendliness department? Well, as a digital bank, EQ Bank is all about convenience. You can do everything from opening an account to transferring money right from your couch. No more waiting in line or dealing with grumpy tellers. It's like online shopping, but for your money. But is it really as simple as it sounds? We'll break down the sign-up process and the overall user experience so you can decide if it's right for you. Another thing to consider is security. We're talking about your hard-earned money here. You want to know it's safe and sound. So, how does EQ Bank protect your cash? We'll go over their security measures, from encryption to fraud protection, so you can rest easy knowing your money is in good hands. But let's get back to the heart of the matter, those interest rates. EQ Bank boasts some pretty impressive numbers. But are they too good to be true? We'll crunch the numbers and compare them to other banks to see if EQ Bank really delivers on its promises. And remember, high interest rates are great, but you also want to make sure your money is accessible when you need it. So, we'll explore the withdrawal options and any potential fees that might come with them. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is there a catch? Are there hidden fees or restrictions that might turn this dream bank into a nightmare? We'll uncover the fine print and let you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. So, is EQ Bank the financial savior you've been waiting for? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what this bank offers and whether it's the right fit for you. But remember, everyone's financial situation is different, so it's important to do your own research and compare options. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.